What up, broke bitches? So you want to start a sneaker collection, but you're broke or on a budget. Totally understand because I'm broke and on a budget. So the best advice I can tell you is to get sneakers when you can and be patient. So right now, for instance, me, I'm on disability, so I get a very limited amount of money every month. And every month I put a little money aside and I get the sneakers that I want. Now, that's what I go for. I am a bit of a hype beast, so if something is out there and it's like super hype, I like want it when it's there. But I know it's not possible because, I'm on a budget. But I do love sneakers. I just love all kinds of sneakers, you know what I'm saying? So like an example like this right here is the Air Max 90 triple white. You know what I'm saying? These are dead stock, never worn, and new sneaker smell is so dope, you know what I'm saying? And buy what you like, man. Don't buy just because it's popular. I know I just said that I'm a hype beast. Sometimes I buy things just because they're popular. But actually, no, let me take that back, because there are some things that are popular that I don't like. I can't think of anything right now. But like right now, one of my grails is the shattered backboard. That grew on me. At first, I didn't like it. I was like, I don't know, man. But now it grew on me. Jordan 1 Mid SE. I lucked out on the cop. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I got an update on the Jordan app, and I'm like, what? And I was like, oh yeah, I could rock these with a lot of different fits, man. This is cool. And then I lucked out on the cop. I really lucked out on the cop, because like a lot of times I don't luck out on any cops, man. On that sneakers app, I mean, my spirit is broken on that app, man. I'm just like, man, I don't be getting anything on there, dog. It's like, it's done because of those bots, you know what I'm saying? Because I could afford it retail, but resale, hell nah, man. It's just like, no. But let's say if you have like a pretty decent collection of sneakers and you're not attached to those sneakers, I would say the best thing to do, if they're dead stock, send them to StockX, with the box. You got the box, and then you get some money and woo 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 woo, you get your sneakers. But if they're not dead stock, I would say go to GOAT, because I think GOAT does take used shoes. StockX doesn't, but GOAT takes used shoes, and you can make your money. Woo 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 woo, and you make you buy your grail. You know what I'm saying? You buy that grail, and I'm telling you right now, nobody else is gonna give you this information, man. You know what I'm saying? I am the hypest brother online. I'm telling you, man. Let me show you another hype sneaker. At the Jordan 5 reverse grapes, the alternate grapes. Like, I got caught up on the hype. The icy bottoms, man. And this also just represents my childhood. I used to see kids in my school rocking these. Not necessarily this color, but like rocking this silhouette. And I'm like, yo, these are so clean. Look at that netting. I'm like, man, I wish I had a pair of Jordans. And I never got a pair of Jordans. I was rocking like Spaldings and Rawlings and XJ900s. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was rocking. And give this a like button if you know what I'm talking about with those brands. You know what I'm saying? That XJ900, dog. You know what I'm saying? But yo, these is clean, man. That icy bottom. These right here are Jordan Lows. I'm not sure what the name exactly is. I got these through Sneaker Tub, and it's through the Nike box. It's the $140 a month program. Yo, these is clean. You know what I'm saying? What I like about Sneaker Tub is that you get more than your money's worth. Because right here, this sneaker right here, I think it's about like $100 maybe. It's probably like $100. I'm not sure. Maybe 100, 115. And then the accessories that come with it equal more than what the box is worth. So you end up getting your money's worth. And I mean, I'm not crazy about this silhouette, but what I do like is the material, because you have this like this kind of like cloth material. It's not all like leather, and I actually like that. And then here, that feels kind of like a leather. I'm like mixed on this. I'm totally mixed on this silhouette, on the colorway. You know what I'm saying? I think mainly because like I don't know what I could rock with this that would like really make this shoe pop. You know what I'm saying? Like I know I could rock like, you know, some black pants or white pants, maybe even blue. But the top, you know what I'm saying? Because like that color, I don't know, that color's a little corny for me, but you know, that's just my opinion. But yeah, buy what you want and just kind of be smart with your money, man. If you don't have any money, you know, if you don't have, you know, if you don't have it. But let's say if you have a budget of $100 and you want to get a sneaker that's worth more, I would say your best bet is to do 1 month of Sneaker Tub, the $69.99 deal. And when they get in, I would say get a sneaker at like 10 and a half or 11. Even though it's not your size, it's one of the most popular sizes. So it'll be easy to move it. And you're not going to get a Nike, but you're going to get like a Puma or Adidas or Reebok, you know what I'm saying? And then you could actually probably like resell that on Facebook or OfferUp for actually more, you know, and you know, you can get some kind of profit. And then with that money, you buy a sneaker that's more expensive and you kind of like build up. You see, and it sounds like basic information, but that's kind of like, you know, that's kind of, I think that's like that's one of the best ways to go about it. If you're trying to make money, I think a good thing to do is to try to set up a way to make some passive income. Like right now, I'm actually selling shirts with my jokes on them. I'm a stand-up comedian, you know, sneakerhead, fashion guru, whatever, and like I got shirts with my jokes on them, and the link will be in the description. And you know, copy a shirt, man. They're really nice shirts, and I'm going to be upfront with you. I'm actually very sick, and I have medical expenses, and so a lot of that money will go towards that, and will go towards investing in my YouTube channel and doing the sneakers and fashion. So that's the living. That's what I'm gonna be using the money for. Trying to educate myself on this culture because I love the sneaker culture. I love the hypebeast culture, and I definitely, it definitely fulfills me to be a part of it. It fulfills me to be a part of a community, you know, and this community seems to be very, very great and accepting of people from all lifestyles, and that's what I love about the hype culture and the sneaker culture. It's just a really good culture, and yeah, that's what it is, you know. So if any of you guys want to continue to see me do this, yeah, feel free to get your shirt, and yeah, I'm making new designs regularly. I just started this, and yeah, just let me know. And if you want to get like a sweater or a hoodie or anything like that, hit me up on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Like, hit my DM, let me know, and I'll try to make that available for you for purchase and everything like that. But yeah, if you want to start your own Sneaker Tub subscription, there's going to be a link in the description. And what you could do is use my code to get a discount. It's going to be like I think it's either $10 or 10%. I'm not sure, but it's a discount nonetheless. And yeah, just tell them your boy sent you, Dave G. All the information will be down in the description. Also, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, check out this plugin called TubeBuddy. It will help you build your YouTube channel as far as getting views, building your audience, learning how to research before you record. That's actually what I did with this video. I researched before I recorded, and that's how I came up with this topic. I use TubeBuddy, and there's going to be a link in the description. Click that link, download it. It's free, and there's also paid versions as well if you want to unlock all the other benefits of it too as well. But yeah, that's my time right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Deuces.